everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. And today we're gonna do a Chanel unboxing, and this is a new purse, and let's open it together. So this is an impulse buy. I went to the store and looked at the new items and I found this, and I was debating of getting two other purses, either of those two black ones, but I found this inside the glass on display and I fell in love with the color. And let's look at it together, guys. So my SA wasn't able to put a dust bag on as it doesn't have a dust bag, but this is the item. Very beautiful. So this is it, guys. It's a phone case and it looks like a wallet, and at the back it has this same pocket on the classic bags, and there's like a zipper in here, and when you open it, it looks like this, and it's in a beautiful caviar leather, which is really made well. And if you're gonna hold it like this, you're gonna feel the substantial leather and the workmanship of this bag. And inside has another wallet, like a phone case. My iPhone 12 will not fit in this, so this is the case of my iPhone Pro Max, and it will not fit in here. Without the case, it will fit, but it has a snug fit to it, so this one won't fit. However, it will fit easily inside this purse. So you can fit this. And then I also found out when I went to the store that a regular Rel sanitizer will gonna fit inside as well. So here, and you can close it. And I guess that's the major thing for me, to be able to put a hand sanitizer inside if I have a back pocket to put for my phone, because I cannot put a hand sanitizer and at the same time a phone inside, unless maybe you have a small hand sanitizer. Because this one, oh, it fits. Surprisingly, it fits, guys. Oh, I'm happy to know that it fits a phone and a hand sanitizer and a lipstick also. Here I have a lipstick in here. I'm gonna put a Chanel lipstick, so it fits. So this is a nice small purse that looks like a classic Chanel purse, and you can fit stuff inside. And let's have a run through what looks inside, guys. I love that it has a leather lining here, and it has also a zipper, a compartment inside, and it has 6 card slots, and also it is leather lined inside. So this is in, by the way, this is in 31 series, and it has another pocket in here which has textile lining. However, here it's all leather, and it has another space in here which is textile lined as well, but mostly you can see that it is leather lined here. This is smooth leather, while this is in caviar leather over here. So this is just a nice small purse to place, and this will serve as a wallet itself. So if you have a lot of cards and receipts, you can put it all in here, and this is all that you need. And then at the back is for your phone, and you can zip it up. I wish that this has like a hardware zipper pull rather than this leather. I guess it will look better if there's like Chanel zipper pull in here instead of this, as this makes the purse looks a little cheaper, I think. But anyways, here it says Chanel here as well, and then another Chanel marking here, and this is made in Spain. This one doesn't have the authenticity sticker inside, so I guess this is microchip already. And the one thing that I like about this purse is it has a removable handle where you can remove it and use it as a clutch. So this is really made well, guys. And the color is a beautiful shade of beige, which can also pass like a blush, like a very light blush pink at times. And this is called phone holder with chain in beige, light beige color. So this is the barcode and retail for 3,400 US dollars. And this is the 22C collection. So phone holder with chain, very, very beautiful. And I found out that it won't fit my phone, however, it will fit my eyeglasses. So this is my Dior eyeglasses, and as you can see, it is not small, it's in a regular size, and it will fit in here, guys, which makes me really, really excited. So I can put this in my larger bags. Can you see this, guys? This is like $500 eyeglasses case. This is so cute and so durable, and it's here, and it sits comfortably inside, and it has like a nice size to it that will protect our sunglasses inside. And if I'll put it inside here, it will look like this. So it will look like this, guys, and you can close it. I'm not sure if it will close if I have a phone. So it will close, but it is more like a snug fit to it, and you have to really push it, and I don't want to do that. But anyways, it will fit an eyeglasses inside, and if you have pockets for your phone, then that will do. I'll not make sure if I'll put the phone in here. And let's see. So it will not. So I guess this is also only for receipts. So this part is only for receipts, but not for anything else, because it won't fit a phone if you're gonna put it in here. So if you want a grab-and-go bag and want to use this for the phone and your cards, this is really a nice size. A little pricey in my opinion for like a wallet size bag, but it is a beautiful shade of beige, a bonus SLG to put your small phones and your eyeglasses. And the feel of this bag is really, really durable. This is the kind of caviar leather that is a little stiff and durable. It feels really durable. That's why I end up with this purse, as I think this will really stand the test of time if you just take care of this bag. This back part, we're gonna get color transfer, especially on this light color. So we just have to be mindful on wearing dark color clothes to avoid using this bag, or maybe spray this with a color transfer spray like Carbon Pro. Though Chanel is not really recommending spraying it, but I've done it with my other bags, so I think it will be okay to do this on this light color leather rather than have color transfer on it. So this is it, guys. What do you think about this phone holder? And I really love it. If you will compare it with my other phone holder, this is 2,100 versus this 3,400. I think you're gonna get more of your money from this phone holder or clutch with chain, as they look the same. However, this costs like more than 1,000 less. And I also love that this one has bigger CC logo, but if you're gonna feel the caviar leather, this is more durable. It has like a more structure and a more durable kind of leather than this one. This is very soft. So yeah, let me know of your thoughts on this phone holder with chain. And I love that it has additional SLG on this, and also a detachable strap where you can play and use this more as a clutch if it doesn't have a chain. Well, thank you guys for watching. May all of you have a wonderful day, and stay tuned for the mod shots. And please like and subscribe. So I'll see you again next time. Bye guys.